Good morning, my dear students. How are you? Okay. Now I'm going to explain about movements of the earth.
Yeah.
Next topic is
Movement of the earth.
movements of the
Earth.
earth. What is this, sir? What is the movement of the earth, sir?
Sir.
Do you have any idea? For example, every day, what you are doing generally after refreshing, you children are going to school. Okay.
Yes.
Somebody through walk they are reaching the school. Somebody they are going by buses. Isn't it or not?
Yes.
Okay. By that time, are you feeling earth is moving? No.
No.
Okay. But actually, earth is moving. Do you know? Earth is moving. Generally, we are not feeling earth is moving.
Moving.
Okay. Why, sir? Along with the earth, we are also moving with the same speed. That's why we are not feeling earth is moving. But actually, earth is moving or not?
Yes.
Earth is moving. Just now I told you earth shape is round. This is which pole? North pole. This is
South pole.
south pole. From which side to which side earth is moving, do you know? This is east side, this is west side. West to east, earth is moving. Earth is moving or not?
Yes.
From which side to which side earth is moving?
West side to east side.
West side to west to east. This is very important point. Remember. West to east side earth is moving. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Earth is spinning like a top. Do you know top? Earth is spinning like a top.
Top.
In Telugu, bongaram, top. Earth is spinning like a top. Do you understand? Earth is moving around it at the same time moving around the sun. Do you understand?
Yes.
Earth is moving on its own axis. At the same time, Earth is moving based on its orbit.
Orbit.
Do you understand?
Yes.
So, regarding movements, clearly I will explain you. Next topic is rotation.
Rotation. West to east.
Finally, what did you understand? Earth is moving or not?
Yes.
Earth is spinning.
Spinning.
Okay, na? Earth is spinning, moving west to east. Along with the earth, we human beings, we means human beings, animals, bacteria, all things, everything moving. Do you understand?
Okay.
Earth rotating its own axis, at the same time earth moving around the sun. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
First I will explain you rotation. Just now I told you earth moving just imagine this is globe. This is globe. Okay. Here in the middle part, one iron rod fixes. If you spin it, it will spin or not? Globe. Surely it will spin. Like that, earth is also rotating, moving. Do you understand?
Yes.
Just now, I told you this imaginary line is called axis. Do you understand?
Yes.
This is based on imaginary line. Earth is moving in its own axis. That is called rotation. That is called
Rotation.
Earth is moving on its
Axis.
Earth is moving on its own axis. Axis is an imaginary line. An imaginary line. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Sir, what will happen through rotation? Due to the rotation. Okay, na? It causes the day and night. Day and night. Do you understand?
Yes.
Every morning we are waking up. We are okay, na, isn't it or not?
Yes.
So night we are sleeping. Due to the rotation of the earth, this day and night taking place.
Yes.
Okay. So how many hours will take to complete one day? 24 hours. 24 hours. 24 hours is equal to one complete day.
Day.
Okay, na?
Yes.
Due to the rotation causes the day and night. Do you understand?
Yes.
If earth not rotates itself on its own axis, day and night is not possible. Do you understand regarding the rotation? Huh?
Yes.
Okay? Earth moving on its own axis. Axis is an imaginary line. Do you understand?
Yes.
So, rotation of earth is moving on its own axis is called rotation. Due to the rotation, okay, now what is happening? Day and nights. Okay, now day and nights are occurring. Okay, so early morning we are watching the sun. Okay, na? Night we are watching the moon. These day and nights happening due to the rotation. Next one, revolution. I will explain you about the revolution. Okay. Next topic is,
Revolution.
do you understand the rotation?
Yes. 24.
What is this?
Globe.
Very good. Globe. So what is this? Iron rod, an imaginary line. That is called
Axis.
axis. Next one, revolution. Next topic is
Revolution.
revolution. Up to now, we finished the introduction part. Okay. Then we finished the atmosphere. Then earth surface, movements of the earth, rotation, revolution. Initially, I told you how many planets are there?
8 planets.
Very good. 8 planets. Okay. See.
That is sun.
Very good. This is sun. Just now you told yourself how many planets we have?
8 planets.
8 planets. Earth position is third. Okay, na?
Yes.
This is Mercury, Venus,
Yes.
Earth. Okay, na?
Yes.
Earth. Earth position is third. So one point I forgot to tell you, why on Earth life is available here. Okay, air is we are getting. We are breathing air.
8.
Another point is temperatures also, favorable temperatures presented on Earth. Okay, na? So favorable temperatures means what, sir? Exact temperatures. Okay, na? For example, for a human being's point of view, between 20 to 35, these temperatures are comfortable to live. 20 degrees Fahrenheit, 22 degrees, 30 degrees, 35 degrees. In between these temperatures, human beings live very comfortably. If temperatures are very high, then hot conditions will prevail. It is not possible to live on Earth. Okay, na? The Earth is neither too hot nor too cold.
Cold.
Okay, now do you understand?
Yes.
The earth is neither too hot nor too cold.
Too cold.
Temperatures are
Very
okay. Temperatures are comfortable here. Minimum temperatures are recording on earth.
yeah.
That's why life is existing on earth.
Yeah.
Do you understand the points? Okay. So temperatures also playing very important role. Now we are okay now learning about revolution. Every planet rotating okay now moving around the sun.
The sun.
Isn't it or not?
Yes.
Every planet moving itself, moving its own axis at the same time. Okay now every planet moving around the sun. Do you understand?
Yes.
Earth is moving on its own axis at the same time. Earth is moving around the sun. That is called revolution. Okay, rotating itself at the same time. Earth is moving around the sun. While Earth is moving around the sun, okay, one part of the Earth area comes from the okay now sun side. Suppose if you take torchlight and flash the light on this side, for example, this is okay Earth, this is sun. Okay, so while rotating the Earth, one part okay, so come from the which side? Sun side. Automatically, this part contains day or night? Day. Okay, now back side part not having the sun rays, not falling the sun rays. That back side we can say that is night. So then again Earth will move. Okay, now constantly Earth is moving. So which part okay comes from sun side? Then that part generally we called as day. So that side rays will fall. Okay, now it is not possible to cover all okay all sides these sun rays. Do you understand? I think so. Okay, now that's why due to the revolution, what is happening? You know, seasons are occurring. Seasons. Due to the rotation, day and night happening, occurring. Day and night occurring. Due to the revolution, seasons are forming. Do you understand? Suppose we have summer season, we have rainy season, we have winter season. Okay, na? So, summer, autumn, winter, like that we have different seasons. Okay, na? Do you understand how seasons are forming? Due to the revolution of the earth, seasons are forming. Later point of time regarding seasons, I will explain you very clearly. Okay, do you understand? So this is all about revolution. Now, conclusion I will explain. Up to now, what did you learn? We are living on earth. Okay, na? Then due to the air, that layer is surrounded by earth. Through that layer we are taking the air and we are breathing and we are living. So that is nothing but a atmosphere. Okay, if atmosphere layer is not presented, it is not possible to live life on the earth. Then earth surface made up of land and water, 71% covered with water, 29% covered with land. Movements of the earth is moving on its own axis, that is an imaginary line. So rotation, earth moving on its own axis, that is called rotation. Due to the rotation, day and nights are forming. Then revolution, earth is moving around itself on its own axis. At the same time, earth is moving around the sun. Okay na? So according to the distance, okay na, then earth will finish one revolution. It will take how many days, you know? For revolution, 365, 1/4 days it will take for one revolution. to finish one complete round around the sun, how many days it will take? 365. Okay, 365 1 by 4 days. Generally, we called as 1 year. 1 year for one revolution. 1 year for one revolution. Okay, na? Then that time only it will finish one round. Which one? Earth. How? Okay, na? It is rotating by using orbit. That is a path. That shape is oval shape. That is all about conclusion. Do you understand the lesson? Yes.